What if I told you the Motown era is still alive today? Don't believe me? Just watch.
Come on, let's go!
Witness the evolution of soul.
We've seen many shows. This was by far one of the best I've ever seen.
Yes.
This show was fantastic. It was off the charts.
I had an excellent time. So much, in fact, I attended both shows.
From the Temptations to Bruno Mars.
It was awesome. I had so much fun.
High energy, big time.
Come on, girl.
It was great. It was awesome.
We loved it. It was so much energy, so much fun. We had a great time.
It was a great show, very energetic.
The band was wonderful. The singers, the dancers, each one of them has their own personality, and it was fabulous.
Family, friends, fraternities, sororities, church members, you name it, social clubs, whomever, they need to see this.
If you don't see Evolution of Motown, you missed out.
All your favorite groups from the 60s to today. The Jackson 5, Prince, Stevie Wonder, Boyz II Men, James Brown, Lionel Richie, The Commodores, Earth, Wind & Fire, and many more. This high-energy show is a celebration of the great Motown era and the many artists who were influenced by them.
When are they coming back? I want to see them again.
Check it out. Evolution Motown. It's awesome.
Evolution Motown is packed with iconic hit songs featuring original choreography and custom arrangements, while starring only the finest vocal talent. So get ready, 'cause here they come, Evolution Motown.